At NC State, we're always striving to make the world around us better. We're a wolf pack of thinkers and doers who believe the future is something we create, together. We take that literally in the Wilson College of Textiles, because we know that textiles fill our world, from clothing and fashion to treatments that save lives and technologies that redefine what's possible. From our home on Centennial campus and the innovation hub of Raleigh, North Carolina, we make impacts that matter across our state and beyond. We're the #1 recognized textiles institution globally and the only college dedicated to textiles in North America. Our work transforms industries and grows economies. Apparel icons like Patagonia and Under Armour, and retailers with household names like Belk's and Kohl's, government entities like NASA and the military, and the leading makers of medical devices. We work with these partners and more to move the world of textiles forward. And the learning that happens here prepares the next wave of leaders to make tomorrow even better. Our students come to us with diverse dreams, and we push them to thrive with a full range of textile-based degrees, from chemistry and engineering to marketing and design. At the heart of it all, you'll find Zeis Textiles Extension for Economic Development, or ZTE for short. Think of ZTE as the place within our college where the rubber meets the road, or the fabric meets the feed dog, so to speak. In ZTE's 6 state-of-the-art laboratories, experienced professionals and faculty foster hands-on, high-impact learning for our students and current members of the workforce. From prototyping to testing, ZTE shapes the entire chain of textile production while serving the needs of our customers far and wide. The fun starts in our spinning lab, where we create the material, spun yarn, that makes much of what we do possible. With cutting-edge machines, like airjet and open-end spinning machines, we pioneer new yarns and process new fibers to serve industry's evolving needs and experiment to find the best methods for production. Things really come together in our weaving and knitting labs. Here, state-of-the-art technologies, like water jet weavers and circular knitters, allow us to enhance the entire textile fabrication process. From safer fabrics for firefighters and artificial aortas to automotive materials and future fashions, applied innovation is born in these workspaces. And with access to sample and production-level machinery, workers in these labs can perfect new techniques at smaller scales before trying them out on our bigger machines. Our dyeing and finishing lab is where we bring the process full circle. Here, more than 40 different machines allow us to put the finishing touches on projects, from fabrics and yarns to whole garment preparation. This is where we add functional chemistry to fabrics, make things softer, waterproof, or antimicrobial. Here, we don't just add rich color to our materials. With advanced dyeing technologies, like waterless dyes that reduce our water use and keep chemicals out of the water supply, we're shaping a more sustainable tomorrow. In our physical testing lab, we do exactly what the name implies. We put our work to the test. Here, trained technicians measure the performance of our fibers, yarns, fabrics, and finished garments. This is where we test out crucial innovations, making sure artificial tendons can withstand thousands of steps, military uniforms resist snags and tears, and everyday clothes look beautiful for dozens of wears. Our newest lab space, the Flex Factory, is where we leverage the knowledge developed throughout ZTE to change the face of the marketplace. Here, rapid prototyping capabilities give entrepreneurs, startups, and product developers the chance to go from idea to reality, turn passion into practice, and speed the movement of textile products from our labs to market. From textile electronics for health monitoring, to adaptive clothing technologies that make getting dressed easier for people with mobility challenges, these innovations leverage the unique capabilities of our prototype lab. At Zeis Textiles Extension for Economic Development, we make the future of textiles our priority, and the future looks bright. Since we taught our first industry course in 1968, we've taught more than 12,000 graduate and undergraduate students and certified thousands of industry professionals through Six Sigma and technical textile training programs. We've spurred sustainability and inspired innovation in fields as far-flung as medicine, sports, and space exploration. and we push the needle forward for our customers to the tune of more than $300 million. We're shaping the future of fabrics right here in our labs with the help of our partners in industry and across NC State. And there's always room for more. Won't you join us? Together, let's make the future into something extraordinary.